Hello, welcome to Knowledge Time, Python Introduction to Variables, Session 3. Variables. Today we are going to see what are variables, how to create a variable, storing numbers in variables, and working with strings. Integers and floats. In coding, different types of numbers can be stored in variables. Whole numbers are called integers, and the numbers with a decimal point in them are called floats. Integers are usually used to count things like a player's scores, whereas floats are usually used for measurements such as temperature. Strings. String is a variable. Strings can be assigned to variables. Type this code into OK. Now we'll go directly into the code. Okay. Ideal. Okay. Now it starts with ideally shell 3.9.5. Let's see how we can assign a variable. X is equal to 2. Now when I print X, the output is 2, right? Now we can use integers to add, multiply, subtract. So let's see. Now I will take another variable y is equal to 6. Now we can do some calculations. Let's see. Z is equal to 2 asterisk 6. Now the value of Z is 12. So it multiplied. Okay. Now we will do addition. Z is equal to 2 plus 6. Print Z. So 8. So in this way we can play with integers. Okay. Now we'll do some more, like you can, if you wanted to know if it is a string, then we have to assign the variable weight. Now if you print y, you can see for strings we have to apply double quotes or single quotes to assign it. To know the type, let's see, where if I given this variables, now I wanted to know the type. So what you have to do is print type of y. See, it's showing as class string. So I have defined y as a job, and then when I'm printing it, it is showing as a string. Okay. Now strings can be declared by using single or double quotes. Okay. Now we will see some important things about variables. Okay. Variable can be a short name like x and y, which we use now, or more descriptive names like age, car name, etc. A variable must start with a letter or the underscore character. A variable name cannot start with a number, so we have to remember that. Okay. A variable name can only contain alphanumeric characters and underscores. Variable names are case sensitive. This is very important. Okay, let's go to try this one. My variable is equal to this one. So this is a valid variable. If you print my var, you can see the output. Now another one, my variable. Here I am using the underscore, that is equal to, this is also a valid variable. Now print my var. See, this is also a valid one. Let's see, underscore my var is equal to, now print see, this is also valid. Now we will see what are the invalid variables. Let's see, to my var. See, syntax error, it says invalid. Okay, now next one, see, invalid, the space is null. So this is regarding the variables. Thanks for watching. Please like and share.